హాయ్ ఫ్రెండ్స్, వెల్కమ్ టు కేకేఆర్ ఎలక్ట్రికల్ కాన్సెప్ట్స్. మీలో ఎవరైనా ఫస్ట్ టైం మా ఛానల్ని విజిట్ చేస్తూ ఉంటే దయచేసి మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేయండి, అలాగే పక్కనే ఉన్న బెల్ ఐకాన్ని ట్యాప్ చేయండి. ఈరోజు మనం టీఎస్ఎన్పిడిసిఎల్ సబ్ ఇంజనీర్కి సంబంధించిన క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్ని చూద్దాం. టీఎస్ఎన్పిడిసిఎల్ 2018 సబ్ ఇంజనీర్ క్వశ్చన్ పేపర్, సెక్షన్ ఏ, క్వశ్చన్ నెంబర్ 1. For a 20 kVA single phase auto transformer with secondary to primary terms ratio 0.4, then the amount of total power transferred inductively and conductively respectively is. The answer is 12 kVA and 8 kVA. Question number 2. The full load copper losses of a certain transformer is 1600 watts. At half load, the copper loss will be. Answer 400 watts. Question number 3. In 132 by 33 kV transformer, the LV resistance is 0.2 ohms. The resistance referred to HV side is. Answer 0.32 ohms. Question number 4. A star delta transformer can deliver 100 kVA load. If it is connected in delta star, it can deliver a load of. Answer 100 kVA. Question number 5. During open circuit test of a transformer or when conducting on primary side. Answer A. Primary is supplied at rated voltage of transformer. Question number 6. A 2 kVA transformer has iron loss of 150 watts and full load copper loss of 250 watts. The maximum efficiency of transformer would occur when the total loss is. Answer C. 300 watts. Question number 7. Two transformers are operating in parallel. Their load sharing will depend upon. Answer D. Percentage impedance. Question number 8. The armature core of a DC machine is laminated to minimize. Answer eddy current loss. Question number 9. The speed of a DC shunt motor more than its full load speed can be obtained by. Answer decreasing the field current. Question number 10. In a 4-pole 25 kilowatts 200 volts wave wound DC shunt generator, current in each parallel path will be. Answer A. 6.25 amps. Question number 11. A DC shunt motor has external resistances RA and RF in the armature and field circuits respectively. Armature current at starting can be reduced by keeping. Answer RA maximum and RF minimum. That is option B. Question number 12. A 4-pole lap wound DC generator is running at 1000 rpm and having 1200 conductors and flux per pole is 10 milliweber. Then the generated EMF is. Answer C. 200 volts. Question number 13. A 4-pole DC generator is running at 1500 rpm. The frequency of current in the armature winding is. Answer B. 50 Hz. Question number 14. A DC motor is running with a certain load. The effect of adding an external resistance in the shunt field circuit is. Answer to increase the motor speed. Question number 15. A 220 volts DC machine has an armature resistance of 1 ohm. If the full load current is 20 amps, the difference in the induced voltages when the machine is running as a motor and as a generator is. Answer option C. 40 volts. Question number 16. A 220 volts DC shunt motor develops a torque of 54 Newton meter at armature current of 10 amps. When the armature current is 20 amps, the torque developed is. Answer 108 Newton meter. Question number 17. In an induction motor, if the rotor input is 600 watts and the slip is 4%, then the rotor copper loss is. Answer 24 watts. Option C. Question number 18. A 4-pole 3-phase induction motor is running at 4% slip at full load. If the speed of the rotor is 720 rpm, the supply frequency is. Answer 25 Hz. Question number 19. The mechanical load across induction motor is equivalent to electrical load of. Answer option B. Question number 20. Which of the following 3-phase induction motors will run at highest speed if they get connected to the same 3-phase voltage and frequency supply? Answer 2-pole. Question number 21. The rotor of a 3-phase induction motor has an impedance of 0.4 plus J4 ohm per phase at standstill. The maximum torque occurs at a slip of. Answer A 10%. Question number 22. A 3-phase 400 volts 4-pole induction motor is fed from a 3-phase 400 volts 50 Hz supply and runs at 1440 rpm. The frequency of rotor EMF is. Answer 2 Hz. Question number 23. Blocked rotor test of an induction motor corresponds in case of a transformer to. Answer short circuit operation. Question number 24. The star delta starting of an induction motor is equivalent to auto transformer starting with dash tapping. Answer option C 57.7%. Question number 25. The primary winding of a Scrage motor is located in lower part of rotor. Option B. Question number 26. In shaded pole motor, shading coils are used to. Answer produce rotating magnetic field. Option C. Question number 27. In case of a split phase motor, the phase shift between current in the two windings is around. Answer option C 90%. Question number 28. The direction of rotation of single phase motor can be reversed by. Answer option B. Reversing the connections of the starting winding. Question number 29. The rate of rise of restriking voltage of a circuit breaker depends upon. Answer option D. Question number 30. Reactance relay is normally preferred for the protection against. Answer earth faults only. Option A. Question number 31. More relay is normally used for the protection of. Answer long transmission lines. Question number 32. The operation of the relay which is most affected due to arc resistance is. Answer impedance relay. Next question number 33. The braking capacity of a breaker is always stated at the dash at the instant of contact separation. Answer option C. RMS value of fault current. Question number 34. What is the effect of temperature rise on the overhead transmission lines? Answer sag increases and tension decreases in the line conductors, that is option A. Question number 35. Shunt capacitance is usually neglected in the analysis of. Answer short transmission lines. Question number 36. A string insulator has 4 units. The voltage across the bottommost unit is 33.33% of the total voltage across the string. Its string efficiency is. Answer option D 75%. Question number 37. Whenever the conductors are dead-ended or there is a change in the direction of transmission line, the insulator is used or off. Answer option C strain type insulators. Next question number 38. The minimum dielectric stress in a cable is at. Answer option C lead sheath. Question number 39. If S denotes the sag in the transmission line conductor suspended from the towers at the same height and L denotes the span between the towers, then the relationship which hold good is. Answer option C S is directly proportional to L square. Next question number 40. If W denotes the weight of the conductor, Wi denotes the weight of the ice loading and Wa denotes the wind loading per unit length of the conductor. Then the net weight W of the conductor taken for sag calculation under this condition is given by answer option C. Question number 41. The presence of earth in case of overhead lines. Answer increases the capacitance. Question number 42. A three-phase overhead transmission line has its conductors arranged at the corners of an equilateral triangle of 2 meter side. Given that the diameter of each conductor is 1.25 centimeters, the capacitance of each line conductor in farad per meter is answer is option B. Next question number 43. Consider the following statements. The calculation performed using short line approximate model instead of nominal pi model for a medium length transmission line delivering lagging load at a given receiving end voltage always result in higher. Number 1. Sending end current. Number 2. Sending end power. Number 3. Regulation. Number 4. Efficiency. Which one of these statements are correct? Answer option C. 1, 2 and 3 are correct statements. Question number 44. In substation, which of the following device is a carrier communication device? Answer option C. Wave trap. Question number 45. In the case of suspension type insulators, the string efficiency can be improved by using a longer cross arm, using a guard ring, grading the insulator, grading the insulator discs, reducing the cross arm length. Which one of the above mentioned statements are correct? Answer option A. 1, 2 and 3 are correct one. Question number 46. Three insulating materials with same maximum working stress and permittivities 2.5, 3.0 and 4.0 are used in a single core cable. The location of the materials with respect to the core of the cable will be answer option C. Question number 47. The effect of transposition in three-phase system is that each transmission line conductor has answer option C. Same average inductance. Question number 48. Following statements are associated with the transmission lines. First one, the skin effect is much smaller with solid conductors than with stranded conductors. Second one, hollow conductors are used for solid bus bars to overcome the adverse effect of skin effect. Number 3, the resistivity of copper is less than that of aluminium. Fourth statement, in three-phase transmission system, the resistance for phase is resistance of either conductor. Then here the answer is statement 3 and statement 4 are true. Question number 49. For long high voltages and extra high voltage lines, dash are provided to prevent over voltages on the line. Answer option C. Shunt reactors. Question number 50. Pollution deposited on insulator reduces the dielectric strength of the insulator units and increases surface leakage currents. Option C. Question number 51. The process of achieving uniform electrostatic stress in the dielectric of cables is known as answer grading of cables. Question number 52. In practice, dash type of relay is used to protect a radial feeder in electrical distribution system. Answer option D. Overcurrent relay. Question number 53. Which of the following types of instrument is an integrating instrument? Answer option B. Energy meter. Question number 54. The controlling torque in a spring controlled meter is proportional to answer theta. Question number 55. A PMMC voltmeter is connected across a series combination of DC voltage source V1 equal to 2 volts and an AC voltage source V2 equal to 3 sin 4t. The voltmeter reads. Answer option A 2 volts. Question number 56. In the measurement of 3-phase power by 2 wattmeter method, if the 2 wattmeter readings are equal, the power factor of the circuit is. Answer unity. Question number 57. A milliammeter of 2.5 ohm resistance reads up to 100 milliamps. Calculate the resistance which is necessary to enable it to be used as a ammeter reading up to 10 amps. Answer B. Question number 58. In which of the following instruments the scale is perfectly linear? Answer option C PMMC ammeter. Question number 59. The speed torque characteristics of dash is a slightly drooping straight line. Answer option B DC shunt motor. Question number 60. With reference to the illumination concept, space to height ratio. Answer option D. Question number 61. 6 resistance each of 50 ohms are used in a resistance oven. How much power is drawn when supply is 400 volts AC single phase and the connections are 3 groups in parallel, each of 2 resistance unit? Answer option C 4.8 kilowatt. Question number 62. In dash type of electric braking of motor, the motor is disconnected from supply and worked as a generator driven by kinetic energy of the rotor and load. Answer option B rheostatic or dynamic braking. Question number 63. The candle power of a lamp is 100 amps. A plane surface is placed at a distance of 2 meters from that lamp. Dash is the illumination on the surface when it is inclined parallel to the rays. Answer 25 lux. Option A. Question number 64. In case of electric heating, the material of the heating element should have. Option C high specific resistance, high melting point and low temperature coefficient. Question number 65. Unit of luminous flux is. Answer option C lumens. Question number 66. Which of the following welding is arc welding? Answer option D atomic hydrogen welding. Question number 67. Plugging of DC shunt motor is normally executed by. Option C reversing the current through the armature. Question number 68. A sinusoidal current of frequency 50 Hz and maximum value 200 amps can be represented as. Option B. Question number 69. An AC current equation is given as I equal to 10 plus 14.14 sin 314t. The average and RMS value of the currents are. Answer option C. Question number 70. A circuit with a resistor, inductor and capacitor in series is resonant of F0 Hz. If all the component values are now doubled, the new resonant frequency is. Answer option D F0 by 2. Question number 71. For an AC circuit, if V of t equal to 160 sin omega t minus 10 degrees and I of t equal to 5 sin omega t minus 20 degrees, then the reactive power in the circuit is. Answer option B 200 VAR. Question number 72. When an inductor and capacitor are in series in an AC circuit, the phase angle between voltage drops across them will be. Answer option C 180 degrees. Question number 73. A balanced star connected load is supplied from a symmetrical 3-phase 400 volt system. The current in each phase is 30 amps, which lags 30 degrees behind the phase voltage. The total power of the load is. Actually, there is no answer in the given options. So, left this question. Question number 74. Choose the correct one in case of 50 Hz power system network. Answer is option D. Recovery voltage is the normal 50 Hz RMS voltage and restriking voltage is a transient voltage. Question number 75. Current chopping mainly occurs in. Answer option A. Air blast circuit breaker. Question number 76. Choose the correct statement. Option A is the correct answer. Overcurrent relaying is the cheapest and simplest and suitable for the protection of distribution system. Question number 77. For the protection of star delta power transformers, the cities on star side must be connected in dash and those on the delta side in dash. Answer option C, delta and star. Question number 78. In a short transmission line, if resistance and inductive reactance are found to be equal and regulation appears to be 0, then the load will. Answer option C. Question number 79. The torque of an ammeter varies as the square of the current. The instrument is spring controlled and gives a deflection of 90 degrees for current of 6 amps. The deflection for a current of 3 amps will be. Answer option D, 22.5 degrees. Question number 80. The current waveform in a pure resistor of 10 ohms is shown in figure. Power dissipated in 10 ohms resistor is. Answer option D, 270. So now section A for 80 marks is completed. Let's start section B. Question number 81. A certain amount is distributed among Arjun, Bharat and Charan. Arjun gets 3 by 16 and Bharat gets 1 by 4 of the whole amount. If Charan gets rupees 27, then Arjun gets dash rupees. Answer option D, 9 rupees. Question number 82. If the selling price of a sofa is 4 by 3 of its cost price, the profit is. Answer option D. Question number 83. In a certain code, cake is written as GEOI and mashed written as QEWX. Then how will be goat written? Answer option C, KSEX. Question number 84. Find the missing number. Option B, 36. Question number 85. Brand ambassador of handloom products in Telangana is. Option A, Samantha. Question number 86. Which of the following is natural host of Nipah virus? Answer option B, bat. Question number 87. The technology for the proposed first bullet train project in India between Mumbai and Ahmedabad is provided by. Answer option C, Japan. Question number 88. The main objective of Mission Kakatiya of Telangana government is. Answer option B, restoring all irrigation tanks. Question number 89. Identify the section of the following sentence which has an error. Answer option D. Question number 90. Choose the alternative to make it a meaningful sentence. The candidate was not dash as his handwriting was dash. Answer option A. Question number 91. Choose the alternative to make it a meaningful sentence. How long dash German when you joined as a Humboldt Fellow in 2003? Answer option C. Question number 92. Choose the right alternative that converts the following question in italics into indirect speech. He said to them, "Will you listen to such a man?" Answer option B. Question number 93. The following is the reason for Muhammad Quli Qutub Shah building the Charminar. Answer option B. To celebrate the end of deadly plague. Question number 94. Who is the first elected Chief Minister of Hyderabad State? Answer option D. Burugula Ramakrishna Rao. Question number 95. The state of Andhra Pradesh was rocked by Telangana agitation due to the violation of the terms and conditions of the Gentleman Agreement in the year. Answer option C. 1969. Question number 96. One of the following is not among the flagship programs of the present Telangana government. Option D. Single bedroom house scheme. Question number 97. Which operating system is developed by Apple? Answer option D. iOS. Question number 98. Which is not an input device? Answer plotter, option D. Question number 99. Resolution of screen is? Answer option A. Number of horizontal and vertical pixels displayed on screen. Question number 100. Of course, the last question. Which among the following stores more data than a DVD? Answer Blu-ray disc. So this is the question paper of TS NPTCL Sub-Engineer exam, which is held on 8th July 2018.